So this is probably one of the biggest boxes I've received for sneakers. Yeah, these came in stock, and to be fair, I already have a pair of these, but I've seen this colorway so much that when they became available, I was like, I need to get them. If you are new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell for notifications, because that would mean so much to me, and you won't get to find out if I bring out a new video unless you click that bell. So basically, you need to subscribe and click the bell. Got it? And it's quite annoying because I do think I have a problem, because I am saving up to buy my own house and I should not be spending all of this money on clothes. Also, I think online shopping is the root of it, because online shopping is so easily done. You don't even feel like you're spending money. It's just like ordering presents for yourself. So huge. Now, the last unboxing that I did live went horribly wrong and there was nothing even in the box. So fingers crossed that wouldn't happen this time. Last time though, the package had been already ripped open. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm actually away in Marbella right now. Well, I was away in Marbella with my friend Sarah, and now I'm in Amsterdam for my friend Emma's hen do. So it's all kicking off. All my friends are getting married. Yeah, this shirt got gifted by Flannels, and it's from Saint Laurent, and it's so nice. It's like a star print all over it. It's just a Revere collar shirt. I'm going to my friend Tom's tonight for a little gathering to watch the season finale of RuPaul's Drag. I swear I'm the worst person at opening these boxes. Wow! I don't think I've ever seen one this big. So to those of you that might have guessed, it's a Balenciaga box. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen these, which is so frustrating about pre-filming things because I can't get this bloody lid up. I think I'm going to call this video most awkward unboxing ever. Wow! They're so nice! So, I got the Triple S 2.0 in the white / off-white cream colourway. I just wanted like a cleaner white pair of sneakers. Like, I've got my Gucci Ride-ins, but they're made to look kind of vintage and dusty, and they're like cream coloured. And then I've got the original Triple S I queued up, but they are a lot bigger and heavier, and these ones are a lot lighter. I don't know if you saw my shopping vlog, but this is what I was looking for that day when I was with my mum in London. And I tried on this newer like 2.0 nylon pair, and they were so much lighter, so I was like, do you know what? If they come up in white, I will cop them. And lo and behold, on Matches Fashion, they came up in white, so I just went for it, and I thought they'd be nice for summer as well. That's like my excuse to buy anything these days. It'll be nice for summer. Such a tosser. But yeah, no, I think they're really, really cool. They're obviously very similar to the Triple S before, but the main difference being that they have this like nylon panel here and here, and they have a little Balenciaga tag. They have like a barcode on the tongue rather than the Triple S kind of logo, and then they've got a leather back that says BB, and they don't have like a what's it called, a little finger thing at the back to help you get the shoe on. But I think the sole is exactly the same. Let's have a look. The laces are different. Yeah, the soles are the same. They just look like an alien monster horse hoof shoe kind of thing. And I've actually had a lot of wear out of my Triple S, so I thought investing in another pair would be quite good. Me trying to justify spending that much on a pair of shoes. They are just like a more toned down version of the Triple S, and the laces are different as well. It doesn't have the tube kind of laces. I've seen a new pair come up as well with like telephone wire laces as well, which looks really, really cool. There's just so many different pairs now. I'm so glad that they kind of like popped off in the way that they did. There's so many different variations now. There's just in a half and half pair too. You've seen the effect that these sneakers have had on the whole fashion industry in terms of like even places like Misguided, ASOS, all making their own version of chunky sneakers, but still not getting it quite as chunky and hefty as Balenciaga, because obviously it's like luxury fashion and they can go a bit more extra, whereas ASOS like to keep it kind of minimal and toned down for that everyday kind of customer. They're awesome, and I'd love to hear your opinion on the all-white kind of Triple S 2.0 pair. I got them in a UK 9, they fit true to size. I tried them on in the store the other day in that kind of like navy colour, but just really, really wanted the all-white pair. I'm going to try them on now in my room so you can see.
And count the pavement stones. You cut me a key for the front door, so I could call it home. When I could only see blue, you taught me to swim.
So that was my mystery unboxing. I've left links down below if they are still in stock. I know that Matches Fashion got a huge restock of loads of Triple S, and I get messages from you guys all the time asking me to buy my pair, so now you can buy your own. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
We can take it and have it all. This is unconditional.